Calais again at Sankofa Natural Hair, and I'm doing a video today with DeCorian. He came in with a very common problem that I've been seeing a lot around the area with new lock wearers. And it always seems to happen within that year and a half to third year, right between the second and third years. It's very common to see breakage at the root from using the palm rolling or retwist method. So we're going to switch over to interlocks and start rebuilding the foundation at the root to help it become stronger and help it to be able to support more weight. Because locks do get heavier as they grow out, and so we need to be able to make sure that his locks stay healthy and strong. Okay, so we've got a few over here on this side that we've already gone through and started to strengthen back and tighten down and take it back to the original parting. But this is what we're starting with. And see, this is what happens a lot right here. This hair is supposed to be in this lock. But when you just retwist like that and breakage happens, then it starts to separate because having all of this loose hair creates a weak foundation. So as locking starts to grow in this area, one of the things that I want to bring attention to is having a proper foundation and what it takes to keep locks strong so that they last for years and years. It's very important. The closer your hair locks to the root, the stronger your locks will be. So this is pretty much what's called a minor repair. We'll go in and separate any crawling. See, that's crawling. It's when two locks come together. So we'll go through and separate that, redefine his parting grid, and pull any breakage back into the original locks. Okay, DeCorian's hair is really, really soft, almost like baby hair. And so we have to be mindful of the techniques that we use on different textures of hair. Palm rolling, retwisting, it doesn't work for all textures. So we have to take that into account. And also we have to pay attention to our product usage and what we put in our locks, because over time that contributes to the weight also and can make them too heavy for the root. We'll be back in just a little bit when we get done. Bye-bye.
All around
so we're back and we're going to show you the finished product. Here we go. Okay, so you can see we took all of the damage that was at the root and placed it back inside of his locks. So from here, all we have to do is groom and keep them up, keep them tightened once every 4 to 6 weeks. We're going to start on a moisture building regimen, water and coconut oil every day for a week, and then we'll back off to every other day to restore the moisture in his locks and get them soft and flowing as they should be. Another concern that came up, question I get all the time: why aren't my locks closing at the ends? Locks that are younger than 3 years old do not need to be trimmed or pruned. Trimming at the ends keeps the end open and keeps the bud from forming. That little knot that comes at the end of your locks is important. That's what closes them off. So don't pull them, leave them alone. They will finish off your locks. That being said, remember, the truth is in your roots. Bye-bye.